Alright, Hatch Chile season has come and gone, so to commemorate the season, we're going to show you a homemade chicken chili stew recipe. This is going to be a quick one, so let's get started. Preheat your oven to 450. While it's heating up, wash and chop up your chilies like so. Place your chilies on a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. Then, place your chilies in the oven and set a timer for 10 minutes. Once that's done, pull out your chilies, flip them over, put them back in the oven, and repeat. Now you're going to want to see some blistering on your chilies. That lets you know that they're ready. Now place your chilies in a bowl, cover with aluminum foil, and let them sit until they cool off. Once they're nice and cool, it's time to peel and discard the skin from all your chilies. Now, chop up your peeled chilies, like so. You can mix and match your veggies if you like, but for this one, we're using onions, garlic, tomatoes, tomatillos, potatoes, bay leaves, pink salt and black pepper, cumin, celery, and my favorite vegetable, beer. We'll be making our stew in a grisette. Any large pot you have will work just fine. Chop up your tomatillos, onions, garlic, and lightly saute in olive oil. Cover and let simmer, checking on them occasionally. We're going to transfer these into a blender along with our chopped up chilies. Gradually turn up the speed of your blender. What we want is to liquefy our chilies, onion, garlic, and tomatillo mixture. Now saute some drumsticks in your pot, just lightly brown the skin on all sides. With that, you can pour back in your Hatch Chile blend. This is a good time to add your bay leaves, as well as the beer. Let's chop our veggies while we let that simmer. Now with that, you just have to cover, let simmer on low heat for 2 or 3 hours, or longer if you like. Serve with rice and enjoy!